In this video, I am going to show you how we can personalize Excel 2016. So to personalize Excel 2016, uh, you can go to option, click on file and click on options. And here you can choose your settings, like what kind of font you want to apply to all the documents, and what is the font size, what should be the font size for the document. This is the default value. What kind of uh, views you want to view, and how many sheets should be there. Like in 2007 version there were three sheets by default, but in 2016 or uh, newer version there is only one sheet. So you can increase this value from two. One is default, from 1 to 255 you can add here. So just click on the spinner box. So these two settings, default view for new sheet and include this many sheet, and this section particularly, you if you make any changes you need to restart to uh, these changes to be effective. And here you can choose your username that will be added to the uh, description when you create a new document. And you can also use uh, this feature uh, known as office themes. Like if you want to apply anything dark gray or white theme, you can choose from here. I prefer dark gray. And this is one more option, that is startup option. Show the start screen when this application starts. So whenever you launch Excel, there is a start screen. From there, you click on new document. So this was introduced in 2010 version, and you can also change this option. Show the start screen when there's a application start. You can turn it off. So let's see. We have made changes to this, and we have changed the theme. So the theme is changed automatically, but the sheet has not appeared. So to make changes to take effect, you have to reopen the Excel. So there you can see three sheets, and also for the startup screen, you can turn it off from here. So next time you open, you won't see startup screen, just a blank new sheet, like it was in before 2010 version. In 2007, there was a default. This was the default view: sheet one, sheet two, sheet three. So this is how, one thing more, you can choose the layout. Like if you choose the page break preview, so you have to reopen this. So this is the page break preview mode. And also there is one more setting, that is page layout view. So this is the page layout view. By default, the Excel opens in normal view. So in this way, you can personalize your Excel 2016. Thanks for watching.